As a wastewater treatment expert with all years of professional water purification experience, we are committed to providing efficient and stable technical support for our clients. For long-term operational instability of the biological system and various water quality anomalies, we provide precise troubleshooting and chemical intervention plans. Combined with our polyacrylamide PAM, we achieve rapid sedimentation and superior dewatering, significantly reducing sludge, moisture content and overall operating costs. Achieve standard discharge, reduce costs. We've got you covered. Contact us today for a free water sample test and the customized quote.